Hi, everyone. So I wanted to give you a little tour of the hub. I know some of you have been using the hub for a while, but some of you are new and haven't seen it. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour in case it gets a little confusing. This is separate from the FCIC simulator. It's a different login. It's a different website, as you can see right here on the address on top. Okay, so when you're home, you're going to click on where it says the hub. When you get here, you can go, hear discussions. And anyway, what we're going to talk about is the videos. And to go to the videos, you click here. And this is where we have all our videos. These are the demo videos on how to use a simulator, how to start using CafeVoz, and all about the new layout on the dashboard and the polishing center are here. Now, these are interviews with tips from some of our passing users that we had last year that passed the exam. They used the simulator, passed the exam, and these are some of the tips that they give us. I did an interview with them and posted the videos here. I will be posting more videos of some of the people that I didn't have time to interview before, and then of the people that passed the exam this coming August. Here are our study group videos. And it used to be that we just had them on Saturdays, and now we've added Tuesdays to these. So these are our Saturdays and now Tuesdays. And this is the this is where we have the PDFs here. And this is what I wanted to talk to you about, the extra resources, okay? We have a new firearms recording that Raquel made by herself and recorded for us, and it's awesome. I really recommend it. Cristina had shared this Décalage exercise, expanded sequence for names and numbers. And this one's a little complicated, which is good. It has like 3 names. I think it's like 2 given names and 1 last name, or 1 given name and 2 last names. Whatever it is, it's 3 names. So it's kind of hard to keep them in your mind, especially because she has picked hard names. So that's awesome. That's an awesome practice. And then we have one of my old ones from that I recorded years ago, drugs and weapons, and this is names, weapons cards, just random things. And this is the one that I made yesterday, and this is the one that I want to demo. Okay, these just this recording just has single words, and the reason for that is because I want to do the Décalage in 3s, basically. Like, not that you're skipping 3s, but how it works is that you hear the first word and then you pause. You hear the second word and then you pause. You hear the third word and you say the first term. You hear the fourth word and you say the second term. So this is the one I'm going to demo for you. You're not going to be able to hear the recording, but when I hear the first word, I'm going to put my finger up. When I hear the second word, I'm going to put my finger up. When I hear the third word, I'm going to put my finger up, and then I'm going to say term number 1. Okay? So that's how it's going to be. Here we go. Aceite, alambre, autopista, claxon, bache, barra, cilindro, autobús, caseta, coche, correa, engrane, dirección, fayuca, estribo. Okay, so I'm just going to do it to there just as an example. This is not for me to do the whole exercise. But I just wanted to share that this resource is here on the hub, and I'm really excited about it because I think it will help with the Décalage on these simultaneous. It doesn't take very long. As you can see, only 2 minutes and 52 seconds. So if you can do 3 of these a day, that's going to be 12 minutes. If you can do 4 of these a day, you know, oh no, 4 is 12 minutes, and 5 of these a day, 5 times 3 is 15 minutes. So if you can dedicate 15 minutes to the Décalage expanded sequence exercises, then I think that it's going to be a game changer for your simultaneous. So I hope this helps, and we'll see ya. Bye.